Hi, today I want to talk about one very important thing, and sometimes it seems controversial too, and that can be found in 1 Corinthians chapter 11, why Paul was talking about if the woman pray or prophesy in public or in church with her head uncovered, that she dishonored her head. Likewise, when the man prayed or prophesied in public or in church with his head covered, he dishonored his head. And what was Paul actually talking about? And over the years, we have interpreted it to be if the woman is praying and she did not, have a scarf on or have a hat on, then her prayers will not be answered because she dishonored God. And if the man wear a cap while praying or prophesying or preaching, he's actually rendering a useless service because he dishonored God. But how would we understand what Paul was actually talking about? In verse 4, where the conversation starts from, Paul was talking about headship. That is why he said, the head of the man is Christ, and the head of the woman is the man. So he's saying that if the woman is, ministering in church, why she dishonored her head, which is the man, not her hair. So the head of the wife or the woman is the man. So this is instruction not for everybody. This is an instruction for the married people, that the woman must honor her husband and the man must honor Christ. How will the man honor Christ? Is by not covering Christ, by showing the example of Christ either to the wife or to the people around him, being an example of how Christ loved the church. The man should love his wife and honor the wife too. So the same way, the woman must honor the husband. So if a woman is living in rebellion to her husband in the house and come to the church to minister to God's people, she is actually dishonoring her husband, because the congregation must have known that this woman is not even, obedient to the husband, but here she is teaching the word of God. So it is not about wearing scarf. God will answer your prayers even if you do not tie your hair. In fact, you can be praying in the bathroom naked and yet you pray to God and God hears you. How would you think that because you did not, have a scarf on, then your prayers will not be answered? I hope you understand.